Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Ease. Today we will learn phonic sound of K. K. Are you ready? Shall we start? Let's go. What is the sound of K? K. Ka. 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 Kangaroo. Ka. Kangaroo. Ka. Koala bear. Ka. Koala. Koala bear. Ka. Kingfisher. Ka. Kingfisher. Ka. Kiwi. Ka. Kiwi. Let's learn some more words of sound K. K. Ka. Ka. King. Ka. King. This is a great king. Ka. Kingdom. Ka. Kingdom. He protects his kingdom. Ka. Kidney. Ka. Kidney. Kidney is our body organ. Ka. Kidney bean. Ka. Kidney bean. Can you tell me why this pulse is named kidney bean? See carefully its shape. Its shape is very similar to our body organ, kidney. That's why its name is kidney bean. Okay. Ka. Kilometer. Ka. Kilometer. It is 100 kilometers far away from here. Ka. Kilogram. Ka. Kilogram. Please give me 1 kilogram potato. Ka. Keys. Ka. Keys. Please try this key to open the lock. Ka. Kitchen. Ka. Kitchen. Keep all the keys in the kitchen. Ka. Kind. Ka. Kind. Spread the kindness. Ka. Kindergarten. Ka. Kindergarten. Welcome to my kindergarten. Ka. Karate. Ka. Karate. Learn karate and become strong. Ka. Karaoke. Ka. Karaoke. Enjoy my karaoke. Very good. Kudos to all of you. You are learning very well. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Now, let's see. Can you guess what's in the picture? Yes, this is your turn to guess what's in the picture. Be ready. Now see, what is this? When you free me, I fly high, high and high. You run to catch me, but I fly high, high and high. Can you tell me my name? Yes, I am kite. Ka, kite. Next, let us see, can you guess? What is this? What is this? When you are hungry, you roam around me. Can you tell me my name? What is this? Yes, this is kitchen. Ka, kitchen. Next, make your food more delicious and tasty. I am saucy and tangy. Can you tell me my name? Yes, this is ketchup. Ketchup. Wonderful, guys. You are doing very good. Next, let us see. Can you guess? What is this? I have many keys but can't open any lock. Can you tell me my name? Yes, this is keyboard. Keyboard. Next, I whistle loud and loud to call you. Your beverage is ready. Your beverage is ready. Can you tell me my name? Can you guess? Who am I? Yes, this is kettle. Kettle. Very good, guys. Wonderful. You have cracked all the puzzles. Good job. Keep it up. Now let's learn sound blend of sound K. What is this? A. A. Can you tell me the sound of K now? Sound of K is K. K. And A. A. Now join these two sounds. Ka, e, ke, kayak, kayak. Ride safely. Ka, e, kale. Kale. Kale is a leafy vegetable. Next, what is this? E. E. Can you tell me the sound of K? K, ka, ka. And sound of E? E or E. There are two sounds of E, or E. Let's see what this cat or key. Cat, kennel, cat, kennel. House of dog. Cat, key, key, keep. Keep the distance. Keep the distance. Next, I. I. What is the sound of K? Cat, cat. And sound of I? E. Now join these two sounds. Cat, E, key, kick, kids, kids, lovely kids, lovely kids. Ka, E, kit, kit, hurry up, hurry up. Give the medical kit. There are some more words of sound key. Let us see. Ka, E, kick, kick, kick the ball, kick, kick the ball. Ka, E, kick, kill, kill the mosquito, kill the mosquito. Wonderful, guys. Today you have learned phonic sound of K. Congratulations. Soon I will be back with my new video. New video on phonic sound of L. Keep learning and watching my videos. Before leaving, subscribe, like, share my channel to get new videos every day. Goodbye. Take care.